What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dean, aka the Blue Crusader, and today I'm back for a GTA 5 FPS Boost guide. So I'm going to be showing you a few different tools to actually increase your FPS and performance. This will work if you've got a really bad PC or a low-end PC, or if your PC is kind of mediocre and you can't run it at the best settings. This should hopefully help you guys out. So I've done a few tutorials in the past. This is just updated for 2020, so it should work with the most recent updates and patches. And there's a few different things, so there's 3 different things here, and I'm going to be showing you how to actually install and use each of them, just in case one of them doesn't work for you, so there's a few different options. So the first one is the high priority launcher, okay? This actually increases the CPU usage and RAM that actually gets put into GTA 5. For those who don't know, you can actually go into Task Manager, and you can put the priority of a program or a game or an application higher, and your system will actually put more power into that application to try and make it the higher priority. Now all this launcher does, I'm going to go and download it, all this launcher does is it just automatically does this to GTA 5 when you run it, so it will set it to higher priority and it will actually make it run quicker. So this is made in Windows 10, so you will probably need Windows 10 if you want to run this, and it's just a couple of scripts that are written in batch code that will launch the game in a more efficient way in your system. So this might help counteract the stuttering and texture loading issues because it decreases the CPU load and RAM usage caused by other processors on your system because it puts more of that power into GTA 5. So how to use, so you have to pick the folders according to your game. So this will work for retail or Steam, and that's pretty much it. There's only 2 different versions. So I'm going to go ahead and download this and I'm going to show you how to use it. So you're going to need WinRAR to actually extract these files. You can Google how to install WinRAR, really straightforward. So I'm just going to extract the folder and go into the high priority launcher. You'll see I have a few different files, okay? I have GTA 5 high priority launcher Steam only and GTA Killer. So you want to drag your mouse over these and Control and X, Control and C, or right click and press cut or copy. Go into the GTA 5 folder and just paste them in. And then next time that you run GTA 5, you right click the GTA 5 high priority launcher if you're using Steam like me, and you press run as administrator. And that's literally as simple as it is, and that makes the game run quicker. So that's method 1. Now we're going to move on to method 2. So next up is the FPS Booster mod. So the FPS Booster was made to help players get more FPS out of the hardware. This can be useful on any computer. So there's a settings XML on this, so you can customize it, and this tool doesn't modify the game, so you can actually play it on GTA Online. So a lot of comments which I got last time is, can you use this on GTA Online? This one you can use on GTA Online, and the first one, because it doesn't modify the game, and it just changes certain settings in DirectX and Windows to make it run quicker. So I'm going to click download on this. All the links for these files, by the way, will be in the description. If I forget one of the links for an example by accident, remind me in the comments, I will post the link. So I'm going to right click and extract this, and this is GTA 5 FPS Booster, and inside you'll see we have a lot of files. So basically to do this, it's actually pretty simple. So you would obviously open up the readme. Now you'll see there's a few different script files. These are all different, you don't need to use these, but the main ones we want is retail and Steam. So I'm using Steam, so I'm going to use this one, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my GTA 5 folder and I'm going to paste that in. And you can run this, or you can run the last one which we installed. They're both kind of the same, they both do a very similar thing, so you don't really need to run both of them. Then in the standalone scripts folder, there's a few different things. We've got save settings and all these different other things. As you can see, we've got loads of other stuff. You don't need those, but there's also a command line.txt, which I'd recommend copying and pasting into the GTA 5 folder as well, because it'll make it run correctly. And as you can see, we already have one, so I recommend skipping that. So that's the first 2 files. The next one is actually real FPS Boost settings. So basically this is an FPS Booster mod, and it basically increases the game and its options. So this is not for every low-end PC, it works with low-end PCs, but they've only tested on the creator's PC, and it gives them stable 60 FPS with high settings and some on very high. This mod has bugs, but without community feedback he can't fix them, so if you do find bugs, do post them in the comments on his mod. So we're going to go ahead and download this, and to install this you have to go to your GTA 5 My Documents folder, make a backup of the settings.xml. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to go and we're going to download the mod, and I'm going to extract the mod. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go inside, and I have a pretty decent PC. I would say it's kind of like a high-end PC, but for low-end PCs I'd recommend going into one of the other ones, and it's a settings.xml file. So what I would do is I go to my documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5, and you'll see I have settings, and I'd Control and C or right click and press copy, and then paste this and just leave it as copy or call it original. And then what you could do is delete the normal settings and then copy the settings from the new mod and paste it in this folder, and then you have the FPS Boost settings. So now you can use this mod which changes your settings and enhances them, and then you can also use one of the first two launcher mods such as the high priority launcher or the second one that I showed you to run GTA 5. So this will run automatically in GTA, you don't need to do anything else, this just changes the settings. But if you want to run GTA 5 now, what you do is you go to one of the bat files such as the Steam GTA 5 which we installed, right click and run as administrator, and you want to do that every time you launch GTA 5 on Steam. And when you open it, it will actually open through Steam. So it says this tool disables system processes and closes the program out prematurely, could result in potentially damaging the operating system. It won't damage the operating system, it'll usually just crash your PC or blue screen it if you do it wrong. But just press Y and then press enter, and it will actually run GTA 5. Now I'm not going to run GTA 5 right now because I don't want to have to restart my PC or close certain processors, but it's safe, it works, and it increases your FPS. So if you guys use this, please tell me what the change was in your FPS using either one or multiple of the methods, and tell me which method you used and if it affected your FPS and improved your game stability or your game frames, because I want to know how much these methods actually increase the FPS and how much it actually allows for improvements in the game's frames per second. So let me know those in the comment section below. If it helped you, smash a like on the video and make sure to subscribe for more GTA 5 videos. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.